Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's me, absolutely me, and we are back again to my channel, to my video, to another wonderful video. As you guys may already know, I passed my driving test, driving practical exam to be precise, with come closer, a bit closer, first place. Is it first place? Yeah, first place, first attempt. So it's the same thing. So you guys would have seen the video already by the time this video upload. But with no further ado, guys, we're gonna get right into this video because I want it to be very quick, very sweet, and very direct. I'm going to be unboxing. Today's an unboxing video basically. So I'm going to be unboxing my accessories that I got for my car. Oh, my car is still strange, guys. I just said my car is still very strange to me. Oh my god, I'll get used to it. So the accessories that I got for my car, I'm going to be unboxing it today with you guys. And I got these accessories from Amazon. And if you're interested in any of these accessories, I'll leave them in the description box below, so you guys can always click the link and go and purchase your item. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get right into this video. The first thing I'm gonna be unboxing, I got my scissors ready. By the way, am I the only one that loves to shop on Amazon? I love me some Amazon shopping. So we're gonna first unbox. I don't really remember what I got, guys, but the first thing is, oh right, is the angle adjustable mirror. Okay, it's the mirror where you put on the mirror, you know, the adjustable mirror that gives you like a wider view of the car behind. That's what I got actually. It's called the angle adjustable two-way mirror. This is how it looks like. It's very cute. I really like it, so I could put it on the mirror of my car. So it's very cute and very nice, and I can't wait to put it on my car. The next one is floor mats to my car. So this is the floor mat to my car. It has like, oh, it smells very brand new. This is the floor mat to my car. It has like two floor mats. One will be for the front of the driver's seat, and two will be for the front of the driver's seat, and the rest, oh, it's four actually. Two will be for the rest of the in front of the driver's seat, and the one seat in the front, and the rest of the two is going to be at the back, so that if people are entering my car, they can always have, I think it just makes the car more cleaner. So it's this is the car mat sets that I got from Amazon, and they're very, very cheap, guys. Like, they have like affordable price. Sorry guys, let me just adjust myself. Okay, they are very affordable, so get yourself one. This one is nice and cute, blue. I don't know, guys, if I'm not sure yet if you will get to see my car before this video is uploaded, but regardless of anything, anyways, I'm still gonna still do this unboxing video for you guys. So the next one is, which I don't know, I remember this one. This is Febreze, guys. I love places that smells nice and good. Even my room currently smells so nice. I got this Audi stuff, that air freshener that smells around the house. You just have to plug it in. So I had to get one for my car because I don't want nobody entering my car smelling stuff like no. And I love a place that smells good. That's who I am anyway. So I got a Febreze car, how do you call it, car freshener, so to help my car smell so nice. Let me open it. Okay, oh, I don't know if I'm opening it right though. Oh wow, it's actually a lot inside, guys. I actually thought they were gonna give me two, but they gave me a bunch. Maybe I didn't read the description very well, but they gave me a lot actually, which I'm happy about. Anyways, this is how it looks like. Car set now. Very nice actually. I can't smell it yet, but I'm definitely looking forward to like scenting it in my car. Like, I can't wait, guys. So this is the Febreze car freshener. The next one will be, I don't even know yet, but let's see what it is. cleaning equipment. So I decided to buy this 9-piece auto cleaning DIY kit, which is very nice, guys. I really like it. It has the sponge, the application pad, the fiber cleaner brush, like just out the wash mitt, like got everything inside. So I could just put it at the back of my car in the boots, so that when I want to clean my car, wash it or anything, I don't have to just use any cloth or anything. I'm going to use like a specific, how do you say, a specific equipment, specific cleaning equipment for my car, so I don't spoil it or damage it. Yes, I'm so glad, I'm so excited. So it came in a cute little bag, guys. Oh, it's so cute. I can't wait. I'm treating my car like a baby because it's going to be my baby anyways. And last but not the least, I'm falling for you like a thief, breaking the knees. Cause when I see you, I feel still the east to your heart. So guys, what was in the box? The last box is the car seat covers. So which I got for my car. If you haven't seen this video before my the review of my car video come out, you guys can already guess the color of my car is blue. So I had to make sure that it's literally, I'm a theme girl, so I want everything to like literally match, to vibe and everything. So this is the car seat covers which I got for the car, so that it's protected, because the car seat is the car seat the car came with is very lovely, so I want to make sure that it's protected. So I got this car seat covers for both the back and front and everything, and it came with the wheel set too. So like for the wheel I also got cover for it too, so that the wheel is also covered, and also to match the theme of black and blue and all the jazz. And yeah guys, that's all for this video. Wait, before I even go, let me show you guys. I got this 4-piece magnet liner and pin plates, because of course I'm a new driver, so I need to be safe on the road. So I need this pin to shows pass, and I got it for like £1 as well. So it's like you could get everything you want on Amazon, like one waste time. But I never got this on Amazon, but you could still get it on Amazon. That's all for this video, guys. It's very simple. I want it to be simple, easy and direct. That's all for this video, guys. I really do hope you really enjoy this video. Please don't forget to click the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know, like, am I the only one that is obsessed with car accessories or decorating cars and stuff like that? Or maybe because I'm just too excited for now, like I'm like so gassed. I'm like, okay, let me just get everything ready. Maybe because I'm so gassed, guys. So but let me know what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I'll catch you babies later. Bye.